So on this move, we don't touch any of these. None of those are a bullish move, right? Because you said you went long, right?
Yeah.
But this one was. As soon as this candle happened and it broke above the previous and you had this engulfing candle, this right here is your entry. See it?
Yep.
That's your entry. Nowhere else, not a single spot before it, not a single spot after it. That's the move.
Gotcha.
And that's off of a 2 minute, but you should have been in here on a 1 minute because look at the difference of a 1 minute. Look at this. You see these candles? This 1 minute right here would have definitely been like, hey, a lot of caution going on, right? By the way, this candle was your reversal candle. You see this?
Yeah.
Everybody see that inverted hammer? That's your reversal candle, by the way. See it?
Yep.
Then it led to these right here, these soldiers to the upside. And then, of course, then to start paying attention to VWAP. So my stop at this point is always going to be right a penny or, close to under VWAP, right?